Well, we want to talk about a little something that the FCC is doing. There is big money in the wireless revolution. Some hedge fund heavyweights are betting that spectrum is the next hot trade. Sheila Dharmarajan has more on the story. Sheila.
Well, Deirdre, so Ken Griffin, David Einhorn, Phil Falcone, just a few of the hedge fund hunters who are betting on a shakeup in the wireless world. So let's start with Ken Griffin. Citadel, for example, now owns nearly 5.5% of the prepaid wireless operator Leap. Now, it's widely rumored that Leap will get bought out soon, and some analysts think that this is his attempt to pony up a seat at the table and influence a deal. You have David Einhorn, he's from Greenlight Capital, making his bet on Europe's Vodafone. He thinks all the value is locked up in that Verizon wireless stake. In the private equity world, Steve Ratner, co-founder of the Quadrangle Group, invested $300 million in India's Tower Vision. Now, this is a wireless tower operator in India. And then finally, there's Phil Falcone. He just took matters into his own hands. He's building his very own wireless outfit. His Harbinger Capital hedge fund recently got FCC approval to buy SkyTerra Communications. Now, this is a company that provides mobile satellite services, potentially reaching more than 250 million people. And Deirdre, if that doesn't work out, well, Harbinger also owns more than 2.5% in Sprint. So lots of hedge fund heavyweights in this world.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of moving parts, right, Sheila, to this story. But, I mean, why the bullishness in the space?
Well, for one, a lot of these are playing for a consolidation in the wireless world. So they see potential consolidation happening, so that is a stock catalyst there. Also, there's been a huge growth in bandwidth hogs like smartphones and iPads, which is all great news for wireless infrastructure plays. So one big play we're seeing is on cell phone towers. Hedge funds like Farallon Capital are piling into names like American Tower and SBA Communications, Deirdre.